Today, I'm making a pair of custom Air Force Ones for head women's soccer coach Olivia Wilkerson of Bethany College. So I already prepped the shoes off camera, but I'm starting with a clean green background and using a stencil so when I peel it back, the words Bethany College will pop in white. Next, I'm going to be dropping in this Bethany's Bison logo. The stencil makes sure that the outline stays crisp, and once that green is sprayed, that white bison silhouette really stands out. This part is always satisfying. Removing the stencil to reveal that clean white lettering, don't get no better than that. Now we're moving on to another custom stencil of the Bethany's College crest, and I had to custom make this stencil because you could not find it anywhere that's clean and vectorized on Google. So if you guys ever need any custom stencils, just send me the photo and then send it to my email at stickynation777@gmail.com, and I could be able to quote you on a custom stencil. With this design, we wanted it to be wearable, but also just be bold and stand out. So I had to add another bison, which is their school's logo, and I made it like into a custom design. We're going to be adding this contrast because the quarter panel is going to be black. But now this is another satisfying part right here, just removing that clean stencil. This is what happens when you have good quality stencils. That's very important to have a professional looking custom. Just look at this. We're just going to be removing that back part right there. This just looks so clean. Now we're going to be moving into the inside part of the right Air Force One. And I just sketched on the soccer ball. And now we're going to just go in and paint up the flames. We're going to be using some maize yellow. I didn't show the orange part, but I'm going to do yellow. And then I'm going to outline it with the red. And then we're going to go in and start adding the details of the little shadow with the orange, but I skipped that part, so I apologize in advance. I'll probably make a tutorial of that later on. If you made it this far, make sure you comment Bethany's Bisons and subscribe for your boy. So now I wanted this to look like it's basically the firing ball getting kicked through the net. So I'm going in and freehanding this custom knit because it's just going to be hard to use a stencil. I was going to use a stencil for the soccer ball, but it wasn't fitting good, like it wasn't placing good. So I wanted to make sure that it will be able to look organic and flow with this custom. So now we're just going to be adding in all our details to finish this in. I also have a stencil over there on the side that you can't see, but it says goal because they scoring the goal, and I'm going to airbrush it lightly with black so it can pop out very good. Now we're going in with the quarter panel. We're going to be using some flat black paints from Angelus Direct. Make sure that if you're airbrushing, just make sure that it's stamped properly so that your airbrush don't get clogged. That's the worst thing when it comes to airbrushing is clogged airbrush or dry tips. So always check the tip of your airbrush to see if that air is drying it out, and just take it off and you'll be all right. But now we're just going to continue filling this all in. We're going to be, last thing, using Too Soft mixed with the same yellowish beige that we did for the toe box, just to seal it all in, and these are done.
Hey, yeah.
I appreciate you guys watching this video. If you liked it and found it helpful, make sure that you subscribe and give me a like. And if you can, drop a comment of a suggestion of any type of videos that you would like to see me bring to life. But until next time, y'all stay blessed.
And promise and swore that we going hard and leaving it all on the floor. Hey, yeah, we going hard and leaving it all on the floor. Hey, yeah, we going hard and leaving it all on the floor. Legends ain't boring, they built from the grind. From benches to banners, we sharpen the mind. We sharpen the sword and promise and swore that we going hard and leaving it all on the floor. Hey, yeah, we going hard and leaving it all on the floor. Hey, yeah, we going hard and leaving it all on the floor. From the tunnel to tip off, we dialed in, letting it rain like I'm Kristaps, a unicorn, something the league never seen like.